So what we have here is there's kind of this blank wall where this will return kind of unused space. The lady that owns this house wants a shelf rack where she can put cutting boards and things like that. And so the one variable that I'm running a few variables. One of them is this is one of her cutting boards, and you can see it takes up almost the entire space. In fact, it only leaves me 1.25 inches. And so I may have to go with 1/2 inch sides instead of 3/4 inch sides to make that work. And also the other thing is because it's a remodel and I'm going up against existing casing, I'm going up against an existing wall. Nothing's exactly square and straight. Ideally, I would build the whole thing on the ground and just lift it up and set it and put it onto the wall. This one I'm going to do a little bit different to just allow for those type variables, and we'll show you how we do it just to get a nice, clean, built-in custom look. So first off, she wants a beadboard back. She wants to get it look like shiplaps on the back. So he's got a piece of 1/4 inch, what I call beadboard, but it's actually got the shiplap design. And I had to notch cut out for the plug. So I've got the plug hanging out from the wall. I'm going to lift that into place. Maybe. And then I'm going to nail that into place. I already know I have a stud running down this side of the plug and another one 16 inches over. Okay. Okay, so what I did is we painted the beadboard black, and we got this side rail here that's going to be black, and I cut dados in it for the shelves, and I'm going to shoot that on there now, and then I'm going to start adding the shelves. I want to start at the bottom and make sure I hit this just to the right height. I'm just going to shoot it into that casing. Okay, now I'll go get the shelves and start putting those in. I also swapped out the white plug for a black one since we painted the wall black. I'm just going to put in this bottom shelf. Get right in there. Put a little glue on the end inside of that dado. And then I'm going to just put a little nail in there. One more just for luck. And then this will go here on the edge. This will all start to make sense here as we start to put in all the other shelves. So I cut just a little notch for this side to slip in the dado. The other side will sit on top of that other rail there. Style. That should slide right in there. This one goes on there. There. Looks like it's dadoed in both sides. Now, I'll cut the next one. Okay, so while the last shelf's lacquer is drying, I'm going to start putting on these rails. And then we're just about done. So I just cut me a little spacer block. Put a little glue. A little dab of glue just for fun. A little dab of glue. So these are just micro pin nails. 23 gauge nails. About 1 inch long. And I'm going through 1/4 inch poke into the thing style there, the vertical board. That's what I don't want to do. I'll be more careful on the next one. Okay, that's that. Now we'll get us a picture of it all loaded up.